Hi guys, so today we are going to see how to work our way with WordPress page templates. So when we need to post a page every month or every week, we won't spend hours and hours on designing. We'll just add the content and it will design itself with our template. Let's not waste any time and jump straight to it. So if you want to read more about page templates, you can find it here. The link is included in the blog article. So it's on the WordPress main domain, so it's all safe. Um, let's jump into it. So for example, we're going to use the 2019 theme, the default one. So we will use it just to show you how it's done. Let's start with the template. To make a new page template, we have to create a new PHP file in the theme folder. So as you can see here, I'm in the 2019 folder. We create a new PHP file. We call it however you prefer. In our case, we'll use MemberFix page template. Hit OK, and we have the page. Give me a moment to delete this comment and the PHP tag. To begin the file, we are requested by WordPress to use a comment, so that way it will know when which file is the page template, and that comment is this one. You can find it on the page templates or in the blog article. We have it there with the paste bin element. So we paste the comment, we change the name to however we want to call the page template. In our case, we'll use MemberFix page template, and we give it a little space here because here we will add our design, our HTML, CSS, whatever you want to use. For our example, I'll use the default page template as a start. So we go to PHP page.php file. We copy the code, as you can see here. I'm copying everything and pasting it here, right? So right now our page template exists and it shows the default template, so there's nothing changed. Now we need to create our custom fields because to add them we need to have them. So to do that, we have to go to the dashboard to install a new plugin called Advanced Custom Fields. As you can see, I have it here. But if you want to install it, you go to Add New, you search for it, you say Advanced Custom Fields. And there you go. This one it is. Mine is active, but you can press install now and activate it. After activation, you'll have your custom fields menu item here. We go to add new, and right now we are adding a new field group, not a field, so we have to name it properly. So we say MemberFix field group, and then what we do is to add our actual field. And if you want to add more fields in the group, you are free to do it. But for example, we use just one field. Let's call it MemberFix custom field. It creates automatically the field name. It has to be with underscore or with minuses or something, because you can't put a space in that. It's called a slug. You can modify it if you want, but we won't do it right now. We have to set rules to have our template where we need it, so we don't have it everywhere. For our example, we'll use a page type, and we'd say top level page, which is the page that doesn't have a parent page, and we publish. There we go, we are all set with the custom field. To add the custom field in our design, we need to use this function that I included in the article. So we copy everything. We go to our editor, and let's say we want to add it before the main section as another heading. So we use the h1 tag in HTML and we add the PHP. As you can see now, that's why I used another name in the video and another name in the article, because right now the get field uses the MemberFix field 1 property. our field isn't called that way, so we have to copy the name here, the one with the underscore. We copy that and we just change it here and here. Okay, so right now we should be all set. We should have our field and our template working. So if we go to pages, add new, and we give it a title, let's say MemberFix page template test. We have the field group name and the custom field. We put our data here and we say MemberFix rocks. And in the page attributes, we select the template, which is MemberFix page template. Right? Now we should be all set. We just publish it. And if we view the page in another tab, we can see our heading. If you want to learn more about formatting or styling or things like that, I included in the blog article some links to W3 School and to Udemy if you want to learn more about HTML and CSS. So that way you can format your page, but you can also outsource it because it shouldn't be that expensive. Also, the IDE that I used, PHP Storm, it's a premium one. You have to pay for it, but if you want to use a free one, you can Google Visual Code Studio. That's a free IDE made by Microsoft and it's really powerful, so you can use that. Or if you want something lightweight, you can use Brackets. It's really lightweight. It's made by Adobe, so that one is powerful too. That would be all for our article, so please let me know in the comment section if that was useful to you. And if you want to show us your designs, your templates, please do that in the comment section. Thank you.